Ikaw nga, kukuha ka ba ng Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management? Kung oo ang sagot mo, ang video na to ay para sa'yo. Pero bago ang lahat, my name is Mars Trinidad. Tara, aral tayo. Isa sa mga pwede mong maging major pag kumuha ka ng BSBA na program sa college ay ang Marketing Management. Pero, ano nga ba ang BSBA Major in Marketing Management? Ang BSBA Major in Marketing Management is a 4-year program sa college. This program will help the students to have the knowledge and skills necessary for marketing products and services. It also provides the knowledge on how to create, plan, and implement sales strategies to achieve organizational objectives. In addition, marketing management will help you to determine what kind of products or services you will offer, knowing and studying your target market, and the different strategies that you can use to reach your target market.